Welcome! In front of me is an HMD Fusion, and today I will show you how you can capture a screenshot on this phone. So to get started, you will want to open up the content that you wish to capture. I'll be using the first page of home screen as an example for this. So once your content is open and visible the same way that the home screen is for me, simply hold the power button and volume down at the same time. You'll have a flash along with a pop-up with share and edit options, and this will disappear after a moment. There we go. Once it disappears, you can find the captured screenshot in your Photos application. So typically it would be located in the Photos tab. So here you will want to navigate to a library, and in the library you will find an album called Screenshots. You can tap on it. If you don't see this album right here, you can also tap on View All, and this will show you all the albums that you have on the device. Now, when clicking on the screenshot album, you can see we have a couple of screenshots, and here's the one that I have captured a moment ago. So there we go. Now with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.